Hey everyone, this is Alicia and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing swatches of the Huda Beauty Jaguar Wild Obsessions eyeshadow palette. The palette retails for $29 and is available on the Sephora and Huda Beauty websites. The palette features 9 shades that are a mix of 4 mattes, 4 metallics, and 1 shimmer. The palette also features a decent sized mirror and is extremely travel friendly because it fits into the palm of your hand. So if you would like to see swatches of this palette, just keep on watching. Just so that this video isn't really long, I'll just be giving you my thoughts on the palette as I do my swatches. I'll be using my Morphe R32 contour brush and I did not apply a base or a primer beforehand. I'm starting with the first row going left to right. This palette has the least amount of mattes compared to the others released in this collection. All the mattes felt buttery and applied nicely except for the black that applied patchy. The metallics feel creamy but are very hardly pressed in the pan and didn't apply too great. This palette has such a unique take on the typical smoky eye palette and I think it's absolutely beautiful. I hate the material of the case, so that's my only complaint about this. If you don't mind using your finger or a glitter primer or spray on a brush to pick up the shimmers, this palette is well worth the money. So, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe as well as turn on your notifications. And I hope to see you all soon. Bye.